are back with the Horizon group again. It is the messenger bag unicorn style. It says it's just my style, and it's the unicorn, and it comes with markers. It comes with 5 different markers: pink, orange, yellow, blue, and purple. So let's just open it right up. This is so cute, and I love like how there's sparkles, and it like has like #FunTribe. So let's open it up. Okay, so there's tissue paper so it doesn't break, and then the markers, and it's this. I love this coloring. It's like rainbow, and here's the strap, and then more tissue paper, and then yeah. So then let's just get to coloring. Okay. I'm gonna put this stuffing back in. Even. Okay. So it comes with gems and 5 markers, as I said. Okay, so it says designer markers. So these are permanent, so you don't want them to get on your clothes. And it comes with gems, as I said. Oh, it's on the outside. Okay. And we got the gems, the things. Okay. I'm gonna start coloring, so put the time lapse in. So I really like it, and I love how the colors like show up really, really brightly. Like you see the pink and stuff. I really like it. I'm gonna finish later because I don't have that much time right now. So I'll see you guys soon, and bye!